Hello and welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. This is a bonus box, but it's also a flashback box because it's from like March. Masqueness. That's right. Target had a bunch of bonus boxes in March, and I got 2 of them. This is one of them. This is, as I call it, March Masqueness. Yes, that's right. It's all about mask. A lot of cool face mask in here. Hello, Radiance. What's this say? Whoop. Dehydration, pesky blemishes, scaly patches. Luckily, there's a face mask to solve any of your skin woes. So, let's get into all these fun masks.
So, it came in this really cool all the mask box, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 masks in this box. So we have the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Gel sheet mask. So yeah, it instantly quenches skin, deeply hydrates, and leaves skin supple and hydrated. It's a hydrogel mask. So that's cool. Then we have a mask trio. It's a 3-pack. It's K Bella, who I love their little masks. Like you can just get them for like $2-3 bucks. We have a charcoal mud mask repair for the T-zone area. Then it's perfect cheeks. So it's a strawberry mud mask that you put on your cheeks. And then finally, we have the Under Eye Nourish. So, yeah, I guess you could do them all at once. Or if you were just feeling a little in the cheeks, you could do that. I'll probably do all 3 at once. Put it under the eye, in the T-zone, and on the cheeks. I don't know what you do under here. Maybe put that T-zone stuff. I always break out right here. So, and not the T-zone, so maybe I'll go for the complete T when I do it. Then we have the Yes 2 Carrots Vitamin. It's a paper mask, so it's still a sheet mask. It's got carrots and kale, and it's made out of cotton for depleted skin. It's 100% vegan. Don't try to eat it though. Then we have the Masque Bar Luminizing Charcoal Peel Off Mask. So it is a peel off mask. So it's liquid, it's not a sheet mask. Though it looks like a sheet mask on here, it's not. Okay. Thick opaque layer, yeah. Then you peel it off, like in one big thing. Then finally we have the St. Ives Soothing Oatmeal Sheet Mask. It's got oatmeal in it. Whoop. I noticed on this one, it says not to flush the sheet mask down the toilet. Do people actually do that? That has me curious now. If you're flushing your sheet mask down the toilet, don't do that. Not cool. Only toilet paper and poo-poo and pee-pee go in the toilet. And if you're sick, a little. But, yeah. So, anyway, that's the mask. This is where to find me. I'm going to stay beautiful with all my sheet masks. See you next time.